Today I'll be showing you how to create a wedding guest makeup look.
Apply moisturizer to prep your skin and massage it gently. Apply primer to even out the skin texture so that you get the even canvas. Apply a bisque corrector on the under eye and the areas where you find blemishes on your skin. Blend it evenly. Apply foundation on your skin which is suitable for your skin tone and undertone. Blend your foundation using the beauty blender so that you get the even finish on your skin. Conceal your eyes using a concealer. Apply powder all over your face, under the eye, near the chin and on the eyelid. Take any neutral peach shade and apply above the crease line and blend it properly. Take a medium pink shade and blend it on the crease line. Take any pink shimmery frost shade and just tap it on the lid. Use any darker pink shade on the outer corner of your eyelid. Blend it properly. Fill in your eyebrows using an eyebrow filler. Use an angular brush with black eyeshadow to draw a liner and smudge it out evenly. Then apply mascara on the eyelashes and on the lower lashes. Then apply kajal on your waterline. We'll apply good amount of blush on our apple of the cheeks. Taking the same angular brush, we'll be doing under eye smudging by taking any darker eyeshadow from the palette. We'll be using powder contour under the cheekbone and on the nose to give a definition to our face. We'll be using highlighter on the high plans of our face like cheeks, bridge of the nose, chin and forehead. Last but not the least, use any lip color of your choice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.